1.
That's the sign of level 2.
Okay. How do you do that one?
Yeah, it's not that much faster.
Nice job. Stage 5.
Alright, I'm out.
Nice. Good job. That's impressive. I was just thinking that they should also have the temperature that it was when they were doing this, right? Because if you're running this on the East Coast when it's like 40 degrees
True.
versus full sun and what, 70 or whatever we're at right now?
I mean, they probably should have them be running this on a court or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Paul said he was going to measure it out on our driveway and just have it then. 6.
Nice job.
Oh.
Here we go, guys. Nice job.
You got it. You got it. Level 6. Level 6.
Yeah, level 6.
You got it. You guys are doing awesome. You guys should hop back in when you're ready, just to like push them on.
Okay. Yeah.
Even if you just go off and on, each of you guys like do one and then the alternate with the other. Stage 7. You got 7. Nice job, guys. Nice job. You got it. You got it. Nice.
What's that bar in the back?
It's for if we absolutely need it, so we're not going to use that right now. You got it. Cheer for Daddy. Cheer for him.
Go, Daddy, go.
Nice job. You got it. You got it.
Here we go. Push it.
Stage 8. Here's stage 8. You got it. Nice job, Jorge. You got it. You got it.
Rerunning at each time. Good job.
Nice.
Whew.
Nice job.
This is getting to the spring.
I know, right? Feel free to jump in to give them a break and cheer Paul on. You got it, Paul. You got it. You got it.
Here we go. Here we go. Go, Daddy, go.
Going too fast?
You got it. You got it.
You got it.
There you go. Anthony's with you. There you go. Nice.
Nice job. Here we go.
You got it.
That's good.
Stage 9. You got this. Come on, girls. Give Daddy some love. Cheer him on. Come on. Give him some dad adrenaline. Say, come on, dad adrenaline. You got it, Daddy. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Gonna step in, Jorge?
Sorry?
Gonna step in?
Every third. Nice. This is stage 9. Level 9. You got it. You got it.
Here we go, Paul. Here we go.
Going.
You got it. You got it. Stage 10. Stage 10. You got it. Nice job. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Good, good.
Okay. You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nice.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on.
You got it. You got it.
Gonna step in? That's it. Here we go.
You got it. You got it.
Go, go, go.
Nice.
Here you go, Paul. Here you go. You got it. You're nearly to 11. You're nearly to 11. 11, there's 11.
Here we go, here we go.
11-1. 11-2. 3. 4. 5.
How old is
Here
this
we
guy?
go, here we go.
I know, right? 6. 40. You got it, Paul. You got it, Paul. You got it. You got it. 7. Come on, 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 come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. 8. Nice. Girls, cheer 'em on. Cheer 'em on.
Come on.
9. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
I thought it not help.
Nope. You got it.
Ooh.
Go, catch up, catch up.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You're almost at 12. Keep going. 12. 12. Nice job, Paul.
Catch this one.
You okay? You okay? Nice job, Paul.